Imagine a world where your waste bin does everything a waste bin should, stopping rot, stink, and germs before they even start. Now you can. Meet Petal, a revolutionary waste bin that freezes anything you put in it, like diapers, food waste, incontinence products, and even pet waste. Petal was designed with the same ingenuity that goes into rockets and jet engines. With patent-pending technology, next-generation insulation, and environmentally sustainable refrigerant, Petal freezes everything. Solid.
Petal stops decomposition and the spread of germs. It makes so much sense, it almost seems obvious. Why hasn't anyone done this before? It's been a game changer.
And not only that, Petal is cost-effective. Uses less energy in a month than it takes to wash a load of laundry.
You don't have to cram waste into Petal either. Its top-loaded, ergonomic design makes adding and removing waste simple. And because it holds up to 5 gallons, you don't have to constantly empty the garbage. What are you doing?
Just checking out Petal's design. This thing's a work of art. Check out the soft close lid. Huh? Do you hear that?
Hear what?
Exactly, nothing. I hear nothing. This thing is whisper quiet. And the nightlight tells us it's working.
It will help with those middle of the night feedings, and Petal can grow with us too. Once we're done with diapers, we can move it to the kitchen. You know, use it for food waste or compost.
You mean no more rotting, stinking garbage in the kitchen? Perfect. Look, everyday life can get pretty messy. Now we have Petal.
You're right. No more rot, stink, or germs. Just a clean, fresh home. No. I've got it. You can empty it next time.
Our home is happier and healthier with Petal. Everyone deserves to live Petal clean.